This is for students who need to access and download the Office products that come with your being a student here at Presentation College. On my screen you can see that I'm on the presentation website. At the top I clicked on Students, Current Students right here, and once you've clicked on that, if you scroll down you'll see your email. This is your official PC email. You received your credentials at your alternate email address that was on your application when you applied. You received an email from IT that gave you your login and password. You'll need those to log into this if you've not done this yet. Your official email is the one that you should be using to contact instructors and to contact staff here at PC. That way we know you are you, and that because you had to put in a password, that we're not talking to someone who's not you. I know it's not 100% foolproof, but it's the best we can do to not violate FERPA. Contacting your instructors using an alternate email address may not give you the results you want. Instructors probably won't respond, or will say, hey, can you contact me using your PC email address? Well, as soon as this loads, you'll see that you have to sign in. You have to use your PC email account, which is your first name dot your last name, at presentation.edu, and then your email address, your email password that IT sent to your alternate email. Once you log in, then they're up here in the left part of your screen, you'll see some icons. Now, if you're on your personal computer, say yes. If you are on a public computer, say no, or you can just click this button and it won't show you again, give you that choice again. So once you're logged in, you will see in the corner, it's loading my mailbox right now, you'll see up in the left hand corner Office 365. That is the product that we offer all of our students for free. You can put this on any computer, any phone, any device up to 5. So if you have 5 devices that you would like to put this on, you go right ahead. You'll have them for as long as you're a PC student, and you may have them even longer. So here are the apps that you can access while you're here on campus. These apps are available in the cloud, so that anything you save will save to your OneDrive. If you want to install Office, you need to click on this icon right here, Install Office. And so you can install Office, the apps, or you can install the 64-bit version. I would start with this one, and once you click in that, it will automatically walk you through the installation. Now, if you have a Mac, you may or may not be able to install this. You can try it, and if it doesn't work, you are welcome to go to our IT department, give them a call at 8411, or stop in, it's on 2nd floor. They can help you figure out your solution to get this on a Mac computer. Also know that if you are on a Mac computer, you can export your files into PDF format or into an applicable Office product so that you can upload them. Just remember that our faculty don't have Macs, and so at least their school computers are not Macs, and so they cannot access Mac products. So just be aware of that. I would export them and upload them as PDFs. So once you get this downloaded, it will walk you through installation. And this is the 2016 version, so you'll have the most up-to-date version available right now. And you'll have to answer all of the questions, yes, and do all of that stuff. And it will take a few minutes to install. Just be aware that once you get this all installed, then you will have access on your computer to all of the products that you want. To access those products, click on the window and just start typing Word or Excel, and it will pull up the ones that you have. This is Word 16. So that is how you download and install the Office 365 products that are available to all PC students. If you have questions, please call Technology at 8411 or the Office of Educational Technology at 8389. Thanks.